Hello, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Just, just driving Uber.
I love your glasses.
Oh, thank you. They're prescription because technically I need to see them for, well, I've been wearing them since I was a kid.
Yeah, well, I bet I look better with them on.
Oh, well, that's, I mean, I would let you try them on, but I'm kind of driving, so.
No, I just meant like you can see me better.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you like what you see?
What do you, I mean, yeah, you seem very nice and pretty and.
Yeah? You
Yeah.
think I'm pretty? Do you think maybe you want to do something about it?
I mean, I'd happily provide you a service of getting you to your destination.
Yeah, I mean, like, maybe we could go to our own destination sometime.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Sorry, I know I'm coming on a little strong.
Well, I gotta
really
like,
cute.
I
wasn't expecting an Uber driver to be that cute.
well, I gotta do rides, so like,
Yeah.
it's,
I can think of a more fun ride.
well, I gotta make money because I gotta pay my utility bill by tonight. It's like, my AC's kind of like,
Well, I can pay that for you. You can take the rest of the day off, and then we could, like, I don't know, go catch a movie or go grab some food.
I don't know. I mean, my girlfriend broke up with me like 3 years ago, and I haven't
Her loss is my gain, babe. Let's not talk about her.
Well, I feel like my mom just, I don't know, she wouldn't like me hanging out with strangers because
Well, everyone's a stranger until you
the
meet.
last girlfriend and I, we were like supervised the whole time because it was like, I have social anxiety, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Well,
I don't really do well.
Anxious.
Well, I just don't do well in like, crowd settings, so, or like really in any setting. That's why I drive Uber because I
We
like
don't have to be in a crowd. We could do takeout. Whatever makes you most comfortable, babe. I just thought that...
What'd you just call me?
I just thought maybe you...
Did
and
you
I
just
could
call
hang
me
out.
babe?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm like really nervous. Like I'm sweating so much. Like my armpits are literally sweating. I'm sorry.
I think it's kind of sexy when a guy sweats. I like the fact that I can make you sweat.
I don't know. I don't really have a job.
Well, here, maybe I can do something to convince you. Pull over for a second.
Okay.
Just 1 second.
Just right here?
Mm-hmm. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Is the car unlocked?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay. I'm literally so nervous. Like, I've never had a passenger ask me out on a date before, guys. What do I do? Like, she doesn't even know I'm filming this. Are you okay? Did you need to step out of the car for a second?
No, I just thought I wanted to give you these.
What did you give me? You got me a flower?
Yeah.
No passenger's ever done that to me before.
Well, I'm not any passenger, and I'm also not a stranger anymore.
Wait, are you serious? That's actually really romantic.
I was just trying to...
My mom would literally love you.
Yeah?
Because she loves pink flowers.
Yeah, she would probably love me. Just don't show her my Instagram.
Why?
No reason.
What's your Instagram?
Oh, it's... Just don't worry about it.
Well, can you drop the Instagram, like, for my viewers?
Viewers?
Yeah, I'm gonna post this on TikTok.
You're recording?
Yeah, is that okay?
I thought this was just like a security camera.
It is, but like I also do that. I mainly just drive Uber for content.
Now I'm embarrassed. I was coming on to you.